How to make fried chicken without oil. The ingredients is on the screen right now. Now, slice your onion. Add into the skillet on a medium heat. And using my injector, I will be injecting the hot pepper sauce into the chicken pieces. And now I've just added Oga chicken seasoning, thyme, and I'm rubbing it in. Now, the injector, I'm injecting the hot pepper sauce. I'm placing them on the skillet. I will toss and turn for a few minutes, 5-10 minutes, and the fried chicken is ready. Look at that. Fried chicken, so simple, so easy, very healthy. What else can you ask for? I love it.